come with me on a stroll, on a random block. Yo, I remember doing the movie last summer and filming outside, and so many neighbors and different people being like, yo, when's the movie coming out? When the movie's coming out? Guess what? It's tomorrow. Well, not the movie, but the teaser. So I'm excited. What is the difference between a teaser and a trailer? It is not a trailer of the movie. It is a teaser of my character and also a teaser of what the team that we have put together can do. So editing, we have coloring, we have some scoring going on. So, we would like to bring that look and the feel and the vibe to the whole movie, but it's going to take your support. So please go check out the teaser and then come back and drop your comments and let me know what you thought of it. Let me know what you're excited about. Let me know what you're curious about. Also, I'd love to give any advice to any new filmmakers or filmmakers that are just trying to, maybe you're not new, but you're trying to cross that threshold to like doing your first feature. Drop any questions. I would love to answer them. And if I can't, maybe Steve can. And if he can't, I know some other producers and people that can. So drop them. And if you're new here, my name is Sasha. I'm a mama of 2 littles. I'm a wifey. I'm a writer. I'm an actress. I'm a creator. I'm a producer. And I'm a baddie in no specific order, okay? And I hope that you subscribe. I hope you like this video. Your engagement means the world. If you ain't got it to support the movie, doing things like that helps me. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.